All right, so what I'm going to show you is something I've been meaning to show you for some time, and that's how to basically refresh your your screen that you see as you're ready to do a print job to reflect the current mailboxes. So right now, when you do a print job, you'll see the old mailboxes from people from last year. So this is how to refresh it, so that you can see your own mailboxes. So you're going to go to the Apple in the upper left-hand corner, Apple in the upper left, System Preferences. System Preferences are how you kind of fine-tune things on your computer. When you click the System Preferences, you're going to go to Printers and Scanners. Printers and Scanners. All right, so when you're in Printers and Scanners, you want to make sure that you're hooked up by selecting, I should say, the Office printer, and it's the B6255. So when you are there, you're pressing the Office printer. You're going to look for Options and Supplies on the right-hand side. Options and Supplies. So at this point, you're going to press the Utility tab. Utility tab right here, and you're going to go to Open Printer Utility. Open Printer Utility is you're going to be about 2/3 of the way there. Printer information is the next thing, and that's right here. And it's acquiring that printer information, and basically this action refreshes the screens so that it reflects the current user mailboxes on the Office printer is what I was trying to say. Pressing OK there, and you're good to go. And you're going to do the Store Destination tab next. Store Destination tab. Now, I was tinkering around with this, and I think there's something that comes up on mine where you'll see it in just a second. I've already done this because I've tinkered with it, but I believe because I've already done it, I am not actually going to be able to save it. You'll see in a second. You select your printer, your mailbox, I should say. When you select your mailbox, you press Save Settings. Now, it wasn't letting me do this a second ago, and it still isn't. And I believe that's because I've already done it. So the Save Settings, it's not letting me. That's all right. I think, again, it's because I've already done it. But when you do it and you select your name, press Save Settings, and it should work. So I'm going to exit out of here. At this point, I'm going to show you kind of part two. Part two is how to store to your mailbox. Now, everything's already set up here, so I'm going to exit out of here. And I'm just going to create a random Word document. The random Word document is going to be sent to my my storage on the Office printer. So that storage is going to be this. So I'm just going to excuse me, jumped over the lazy dog. And no, I'm not the best typist in the world, but I'm not the worst one either. At this point, I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to print this. So I'm going to press Print, and now it's going to take me to where I'm going to print things. Now, I checked this out, and when I press Print, it still just spits it out. But let's say I want to save it to my mailbox. So what I do is I go to Copies and Pages, and I have a drop-down choice of Special Features. Special Features is my drop-down choice. I press that, and right now it is set to print. But what I want to do is go to Store. Store means it goes to my mailbox. So I press Store, and it's ready to go. Now I hit Print, and it's going to go directly to my mailbox. Now at that point, I select it. I'm ready to go. I press OK, and it's good to go there. So when I go to my mailbox, I need to enter that copy code number. It's a 4-digit code. If you need a refresher on that, you can definitely contact Mrs. Schmidt in the office. You should know. All right. Well, that's it. Good luck.